Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from POCO F5 Pro to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it. Nextly, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. Then close it by tapping on OK. Then select Send at the bottom left corner of POCO and Receive next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, click on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to POCO F5 Pro. You can finally tap on all of those categories located at the top. Then from those categories, choose all of your files that you want to transfer. When you're ready, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom to continue. I will go with this one picture. Now select Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to connect thanks to this QR code, select scanning icon above User Guide on an Android. Then click on While using the app or only this time and point your device's camera at the code. Then wait. If you wish to input this key instead, tap on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!